What's going on, everybody? My name is Ryan McNeil, Trickstars.com. Today we are in Key West, Florida. We're gonna go have some adventures. We're going snorkeling, we're going free diving. I'll take you guys around and hopefully you enjoy seeing some of this cool, unique spot here in the southernmost port of America. We're about to get on the water. We're gonna get on a boat and throw on the goggles and the snorkel and free dive around and try not to get eaten by sharks. Sounds like it's gonna be fun. This place is beautiful. It's really sunny. It's a perfect day for this. Alright, you gonna cheer me on?
I won't cheer you on. Good luck. Don't get eaten by a shark. Let's see. Rule number 2, don't get the fire coral on you.
The fire coral?
Yeah, it's red. It'll burn the crap out of you. Anyway.
Well, I feel ridiculous.
Don't eat the colorful fish.
I would say. Guys, we just docked. We had so much fun today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Make sure you check out Trickstars.com. It's where you get my website, t-shirts, that kind of thing, all my paintings. Alright dudes, we made it. We made it off the boat. We had so much fun snorkeling, and I didn't die. So, that's good. I think that we want to look at a couple shops or something really quick, so hang tight. That's coming, okay?
video. We're at the end of the pier here in Key West, and the sun is setting. It's famous for the sunsets. It's beautiful here. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. My name is Ryan McNeil. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you like this kind of stuff. Leave a comment down below, something you'd like to see next. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.